Today I will talk about S19682 and S19683, high side switch and connection diagnosis IC. S19682 and S19683 series are a one-channel high-side switch with 36-volt input, 300 mA and 600 mA output current monitoring function, and it is available in the industry's smallest package HSNT8 2030. You can use it to improve safety with a simple circuit configuration by detecting connection errors such as broken wire, short circuit, etc. and or for ADAS ECU downsizing. It is perfect to detect and solve connection problems in ECUs that communicate with automotive cameras and antennas. Its compact design supports the demand for increasing the number of cameras. Some of our customers informed us that conventional multi-channel connection diagnostic ICs are difficult to use. Let's have a look, for example, at a 4-channel high-side switch. As you can see, the large package of the switch occupies a large area. For such a large package, the board layout design becomes more difficult. It is also inflexible in its ability to handle an increase in the number of channels. For example, for each new channel, an excessive 4-channel IC will be added. 3 features of the S19682 and S19683 series solve these problems. It is small. The compact HSNT8 2030 package makes the total mounting area smaller than conventional 4-channel products. The figure shown here is the actual ratio. The package area can be reduced by about 60%. In terms of space, since each chip is very small, there is more freedom in IC placement, making it easier to design the board layout. Finally, flexibility. It is quite obvious that with a one-channel high-side switch like the S19682 and S19683 you can add flexibly and space-optimized channel by channel according to the numbers of antennas or cameras required for ADAS. The S19682 and S19683 series provides simple connection diagnostics. The CSO pin outputs a voltage proportional to the load current. Since the CSO pin also serves as a status output pin, the MCU can monitor the current and diagnose the connection status of cameras, sensors, antennas, etc. based on the CSO pin voltage level. The simple circuit configuration contributes to further safety improvement of in-vehicle equipment. S19682 and S19683 series limits current with a high accuracy of plus or minus 10% to ensure that load current does not exceed the set value. Since the limit current value is fixed set internally, external components are not needed and do not impact the accuracy. The limit current value can be closely tailored to the connected load in 10 mA steps. As a result, there is no need to set an excessive margin for the DC-DC or LDO stage prior to the high-side switch, which reduces the size of the entire ECU and its cost. Here you can see a more detailed camera application circuit with input DC-DC converter, high-side switch, MCU, receiver, wire harness and camera module. Now a short summary of the S19682 and S19683 features described previously. The HSNT8 package contributes to the reduction of PCB board area as well as the low count of external components. A simple connection diagnosis is available, which means that various abnormal conditions of the connection line can be simply monitored by the MCU using the CSO pin output voltage. In addition, the CSO output is compatible with S19700 and S19701 series, which keeps the programming effort for MCU low when both series are used. The S19682 and S19683 series provides current limit settings selectable in 10 mA steps to match exactly the connected load. The internal setting assures a high accuracy of the current limiting function independent from any external components. Beside current limitation, there are further protection circuits incorporated in this series like thermal shutdown circuit and overvoltage detection circuit. The outputs of that protection circuits can also be monitored by the MCU when the CSO pin is connected to it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and give us a thumbs up if you like.